Hello everyone, it's me Elise, and in today's video I'll be teaching you guys how you can add a new credit card in Lowe. So without any further ado, let's get started. The first thing what you want to do is you want to go to any of your tab. I'm here on Google, and you want to type in Lowe. And here you can see Lowe's Home Improvement, so just click on it. And next thing what you want to do is you want to sign in first. Over here, I do not have an account, so let me create one, or if you do have an account, just put in your email, password, and sign in, or sign in with one-time password if you have your verification on your phone. After you've signed it, then you can add things in your cart, and after you add in your cart, when you check out, then you can add in your credit card details and your location as well. So this is a quick and easy tutorial on how you can add in your credit card in Lewis. There is no in between or any other third-party application that will have your credit card information, so just rest assured it's between you and the retailer as well. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you have any more questions or comments, leave it in the drop box below. It's me, Lee, signing off, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you guys for watching.
ए ओके 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 तिमीसँग छ होइन ब्लू त्यो गेटकिपर ब्लूवाला कुनवाला माथि चाहिँ ब्लू मार्क गरेको होइन मैले त्यत्रो मैले ल्याउने भनेको थिएँ यार तिमीले